A very few special packages come to me anymore, considering I don't review gadgets or mobile phones, especially. But there are a few brands that are absolute sweethearts that still send me some special packages. And one of that is a brand that I've had the longest relationship with, and that has to be once upon a time absolute sweetheart brand of India, which is also doing some cool things right now. But we are also obsessed with smartphones. की smartphones में उनका थोड़ा ठीक ठाक चल रहा है, but feature smartphones, I don't think anybody is doing as much cool work. Look at this special package. Oh my god! Firstly, I've never ever received such a giganormous review kit. So Nokia sent this huge package, this beautiful Baksa box, to celebrate their Nokia classics. My daughter just dropped her bicycle. So let's unbox this. I can already hear some things inside, and I can smell something yummy. Oh, the satisfying sound of Attache opening. Oh my god, what? Okay, this is delicious and beautiful, and I think transportation में things have थोड़े यहाँ वहाँ मूव हो गए हैं. So classic का जो थीम है वो थीम बरकरार है यहाँ पे. Absolutely love this Attache. Attache. I haven't said or heard that word in so long. There are this is hilarious. There's Phantom ki Goli. When we were kids, when we were in school, Phantom Golia used to be a really, really big deal. I mean, it's a ridiculous thing when you think of it that why does somebody want a candy shaped like a cigarette in their mouth? But it was a big deal. And my absolute favorite, Fusion Gum. Oh ho ho! Oh, इसकी खुशबू आ रही थी. Oh man, ₹2 का Fusion Gum आता था. And that used to be very expensive, very decadent, indulgent. And Polo ki Goli. Oh wow, this is incredible. What is this? Oh, laser. Okay, laser right there. Fun. Oh, this is so adorable. And stickers that read Classic Calling. This is a short pin called Classics Calling. This is really elaborate. Well done, Nokia PR team. There is a chitti here. Hey there, we are Nokia. We make some incredible smartphones with great features, build quality, and arguably the best Android experience. But this is not about that. This is about the true blue Nokia classic phones. Phones that are a trip down memory lane with a pleasant turn to the now. So here we go. The durable, ever so lovable phones with some essential contemporary features. Enjoy your time with the classics. Nokia 82104G and Nokia 2660 Flip. Thank you, Sanmeet Singh Kochar, Vice President, HMD Global India and Middle East. Oh man, there's a flip phone, and this is what all this tam jam is about. Beautiful packaging. इसको slide कर लेते हैं. Yay! The 8210 4G. That's the first one. And oh my god, this is so cute. The 2660 Flip. Okay, now इसको खोलने में तो थोड़ी मेहनत लगने वाली है, but let's see if we can quickly just unbox this flip one here. This has been oh man, this is so adorable. Love it when brands do something fun and cool and quirky like this. Oh my god, okay, this feels so solid. Solid, that used to be the word, no? You want to hear this? ASMR. Oof. Oof. Oh my god. Just let's hear the clickety clackety sound when I flip the phone close. Oh, so satisfying. बड़ा प्यारा स्क्रीन है. इसके सामने भी स्क्रीन है. And oh man, मैं वैसे भी I've been thinking about digital detox. You know, we end up spending so much time on our phones. I think we unlock our phone some 120, 30 times every single day. And उसका इतना भयंकर भयंकर दिमाग पे असर पड़ता है कि we don't even pause to think about that. but with a smart feature phone. I've been anyway toying with the idea of digital detox. Hopefully Nokia के classics के साथ मैं उसको हासिल कर पाऊंगा, एटलीस्ट ऑन वीकेंड्स. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. यार ये कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. And it's so light and sleek and just it just already feels so different compared to the just big slabs of. I mean, come on. I love my phone. It's the Pixel 6, but look at this. Just a big slab of glass and metal versus these. Definite nostalgia for a millennial like me. मेरी जिंदगी का पहला फोन, द फर्स्ट वन दैट मुझे याद है, हम मुंबई में इरला में पापा ले गए थे एंड आई थिंक नोकिया 6610 मैंने लिया था, सिमिलर टू दिस फॉर्म फैक्टर. एंड फ्लिप फोन नहीं खरीदा था क्योंकि तब महंगा था. आई लव दीज हिंजेस एंड द साउंड. ओके, बहुत मजा आने वाला है. ऑफ कोर्स आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड राइट नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अमेज पैकेज दैट हैज कम. द फ्लिप हैज अ 2.8 inch इंटरनल स्क्रीन. And बढ़िया लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बैटरी, लाउड साउंड्स, इमरजेंसी असिस्टेंस एंड 4G है इसमें. VGA कैमरा विथ फ्लैश, लव इट. सो आई कैन एक्चुअली यूज माई DSLR टू शूट बिकॉज ये कैमरास कौन ही यूज करेगा. एंड 2.8 इंच डिस्प्ले है 8210 में. 4G कनेक्टिविटी है, FM है, VGA है, ब्लूटूथ, माइक्रो USB, गेम्स, माइक्रो SD, अप टू 32 GB. इसमें वो मेरे ख्याल से स्नेक वाला गेम होगा, सो आई कांट वेट टू प्ले दैट. But this is adorable. Thank you to the HMD and the Nokia team for sending across this super adorable package. Classics calling. It's time for me to munch on some fusion gum and set these phones up and check it out. Follow me on Instagram, ankit.today. Wahan par you'll see a lot more of hands-on time with the Nokia 2660 flip and the 8210. This is adorable. What a fun package. Love it. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. So these are the kind of phones we used to use.
Did they work?
Years ago. Yeah, of course. Abhi usko battery charge karna padega. But when I first started using phones, they used to look like this. Now everything just looks like the big, slab of glass. And these are things that I used to eat जब मैं school में था.